In this example, I have secant squared theta plus tan squared theta equals to secant to the power of 4 theta minus tan to the power of 4 theta. So the first thing I can do, I can start from the right hand side. It looks more complicated. So I have secant will be 1 over cosine to the power of 4 minus sine theta divided by cosine theta to the power of 4. So I will have cosine to the power of 4, and here I have 1 minus sine to the power of 4 theta. Then this one I can write 1 minus sine to the power of 4 will be 1 minus sine to the power of 2 theta plus 1 plus sine squared theta divided by cosine to the power of 4 theta. Then what I have, 1 minus sine squared is the same as cosine squared, and here I will have 1 plus sine squared theta divided by cosine squared theta times cosine squared theta. So as you see here, I converted the power 4 to 2 times 2. So since you see here, we can cancel these 2, and then I will have 1 plus sine to the power of 2 theta divided by cosine squared. So I have 1 over cosine squared theta plus sine theta over cosine theta squared. 1 over cosine squared is the same as secant squared theta, and here I will have tan squared theta. As you see here, that's what I have in the left hand side of this equation.